Alright, this is how you can find the country Russia's energy output.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
First website is ourworldindata.org. As you can see, if we were to scroll down, we have I guess charts or graphs you can say. This is the share of population that have access to clean fuels for cooking. The chart right there. You have per capita, what's the average energy consumption per person. As you can see, it's gone down, but it's slowly going up in the country Russia. How much energy does each country consume each year? Just a bunch of list of different graphs. As you can see here, pretty good. You can even see the share of energy consumption in Russia. So let's say in 1985, it's mostly gas split up with oil, and then now it's still gas. Oil is actually fallen down, more or less, give or take. The second website is this one right here, IEA.org. This is basically just an energy fact sheet. It's actually pretty simple as well, but the other website we just showed is a little bit more better. This one's more condensed, as you can see, completely for free.